So great, I have made a checklist for book formatting with Affinity that you can follow to format your book. And as you can see, here we have the steps, yes, that you can tick or that you can tick in your mind. So create a new file in Affinity Publisher. So that's the first step that you need to do, yes. And here we have the link. Part 1, getting started, trim sizes, margins, bleed colors. So this is the link for the video for our book formatting with Affinity tutorial on YouTube. So you can click it, learn the video and complete this step. So, and we have all the way until the exporting your book as an EPUB and as a PDF. Great. And of course, you have all the links for every step. If you have some questions for book formatting, you are more than welcome to leave a comment under any of my video, and I will be happy to reply to your comment and do my best to solve your issue. If you think that the comments is not enough, you are welcome to book a one-on-one Zoom session with me, where we will discuss your book formatting and book publishing journey. You can also contact me in any other ways, like with your email. You can also connect with me on my LinkedIn, Facebook, or if you just want me to format your book and publish it, please feel free to go to my Fiverr account and just message me like, hey, I want my book formatted, here is the details, here is the manuscript, and we will get started. Super. And we also have the last part number 20, where we will discuss the most common mistakes during book formatting.